Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be doing a Pinchme unboxing. I haven't done a Pinchme unboxing in a minute, so let's get into it. I have no idea what's inside because I don't even know when they were supposed to send me this box. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know down in the comments what's your favorite Pinchme products that you received from Pinchme. And let's get on to the rest of the video. We're gonna open this up. It looks like a small box. Okay, there's like 2 little samples inside and then a bunch of cards. Let's see, a HelloFresh and a wine voucher. They always send those and I never use them. Alright, so the 2 products that I received were Morning Recovery for when you drink. Could use this when I went camping. From More Labs. This is what it is. It's consume while drinking or up to 1 hour after your last drink. So it's basically like a hangover cure remedy, which, okay, that's great. And then of course an Aveeno daily moisturizing body wash. Oh, body wash. I thought it was going to be a lotion. It's a body wash. It nourishes dry skin, helps replenish skin's natural moisture for healthier looking skin. 2 ounces. So these are 2 things that they sent me, which are pretty cute. If you guys want to sign up for Pinchme and get like little samples like this, which I think they're pretty big samples, like they're like travel size carry-on. Sorry, a car was passing by. I'm like staring at them. But definitely check out Pinchme. I think I'm supposed to get another box. I think it's supposed to have more samples. But so far I've been only getting like 2 samples each. Before I used to get like 5, maybe it's because I don't do the reviews. Maybe that's fine. But definitely check out Pinchme. I'll put my link down below in the description if you guys are interested in signing up and getting free stuff around like every other month, or for me like every 3 months. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know down in the comments. This is a really short video, one of my probably shortest videos I've done in a while. But hopefully everyone has a wonderful day and have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.